the whip, a little something for you haters. Lip gloss to my lips when I ditch the whip. See my girls, we shine. Lip gloss to my lips when I ditch the whip.
Hey, you already know who it is. It's your girl, Cherish. Cherish, 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 ayy. Cherish, 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 ayy. Ain't no stopping when you poppin'. What's good, y'all? So, today, I'm at my mom's house, and I thought about doing this prank on her. I seen on YouTube this little video where this girl, she put makeup for her boyfriend. And I was like, ooh, okay, let me try that. But I was like, let me try it on my mama. She like my best friend, and like she never tell me no lies. So let's see what she say. Let's see what she say. So I was thinking about putting like some crazy eyeshadow on. Maybe some lipstick. I don't do the lipstick. I don't do the colorful eyeshadow. So this is gonna be funny. Like I want to see her reaction, see what she gonna do. So let's get to it. So I brought all these. Let's see. And then I found these at the 99-cent store. It was like 99-cent up store. So let's see. Maybe I'll do this orange, that bright orange. Or let's just see. Let's just see. Let's just see. Let's just see. Oh, brilliant. Brilliant. I'm gonna just put it on top of my makeup. I don't even care. Oh, I can mix colors. Dang, that's still looking too cute. Hold on. Maybe try these. I got these from Family Dollar. Girl. What about some contour? Okay. That eyeshadow, Lord. Oh, hold up. I'm gonna put some blue up there too. Girl, looking a mess. I think it's cute. Real cute. Hold up. Try to make this look believable. Okay, so what if I put just I think this is cool. Like, this is like, girl, this is cool. So, we gonna see what she said.
We gonna see what she said.
What's good, y'all? I'm doing this vlog. I'm over here with my mom and my kids. Baby kids. And just chilling, you know, regular day. We didn't do nothing today. Just a simple day. Mama, can you take a picture of me? I'm trying to put it on Instagram, look cute.
You about to put that on Instagram?
What are you laughing at?
Are you about to put this makeup on Instagram? Brown and pink?
What's wrong with my makeup?
Brown and pink. Brown and pink. No.
You don't like my makeup?
No, it look like one of your kids did it.
Wait a minute, I think I look cute. This is like the new wave.
What wave?
Amir, how I look?
You gotta get a new surfboard.
Beautiful and cute.
He said I look beautiful and cute.
It's
Mayani.
cakey.
Come here.
It's drag queen-ish.
That's the look I was going for. That's the new wave. Like,
And what is these things? What is this?
oh, that's my contour.
No.
Cute. Are you gonna take the picture or
I'm
not?
not taking
Oh
that
my
picture.
God.
You're not gonna put that on Instagram. You
She
just
is
getting
tripping,
started.
y'all. I'm trying to take my Instagram picture,
No,
trying to get
you
more
just getting-
followers and stuff, and she just tripping.
You just getting started. You're gonna lose some followers.
She is dead serious. Like, I think I look cute. Stop playing.
No, ma'am. I'm not gonna do that.
Mayani. Mommy look cute.
Yeah.
You like my makeup?
They too busy dirtying up my thing on room.
Our kitty cat.
Why are you making a? What are you doing?
I'm making a vlog.
Of that makeup?
Yes.
Girl, if you don't go somewhere.
This is the new.
What mama say? You done rant out.
I didn't rant out.
Yes. Terrible situation you got going on right now.
I think it's cute. Comment below if y'all think I'm cute.
Are you serious?
Hold on, lighting over there.
Is it looking right in there?
Yeah, it look good.
Oh. Well, work it then. Cherish, cherish.
But anyways, it was a prank, okay?
Terrible thing on prank. Ew.
It was a prank.
I get the kitty cat first. You can't get out.
So, like I said, she gonna keep it real. She ain't gonna lie. She ain't gonna lie. So, my prank failed. But it's all good. She said it's a big fail. I think it's cute.
And you're not supposed to prank old people with weird makeup.
Kitty.
I think it's cute.
I think your next prank should be to pick my room up. Look at that. Show them what your kids
I'm not
did.
showing them what they did.
Show them what
Hey,
your kids did.
clean your grandma's room. Clean
Get
up.
out of my hamper. She's in the hamper.
Mayani.
Her face.
Don't bust your face on camera. Come on. All right, y'all. It's been real. That was a fail. It's all good.
I like them.
Well,
Take
my
a
kids
picture.
like it, and they want to take a picture, so they like it. So I don't see what the problem is.
They don't know no better.
But all right, y'all. It's been real. Catch y'all on the next video.
Yeah.
Peace.